Okay, Algebra 4. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So, we're on the last page, or you know what, 12-3, and we're going to look at page 23. The arithmetic sequences and series, and we're going to put all the steps that we've been working on this week all together to find the missing pieces, actually. So, similar to when you are solving an equation for multiple variables, that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to use the information that we have to get the information that we need. So we're looking at page 23, and I'm going to go ahead and do an example for you. So we start out with, we're finding the 12th term. All right, and I gave you guys steps. However, they're providing us with the information that we need. So we have available to us a 3, which is 33. And they provided us with a 9, which equals 117. All right, and our direction says, if you know any two terms in an arithmetic sequence, you can find any other term in the sequence. So it says find the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence with a to the third, a3 equals 33, and a9, which equals 117. So it says the first 12 term of the arithmetic sequence, and it gave us the numbers. So our directions are: use the known terms and the formula for the nth term to find the common difference. So the formula that we're going to use to do this is the one that we've been speaking of, which is a(n) equals a1 plus parentheses n minus 1 is g. All right. So it says write the formula. All right, we did that. A to the n but we said a to the n equals the a9. So that would make this a to the 9th equals a to the 3, which is going to be the first term, plus and it said that the n equals 9. Okay. And a3 is 3, so that will go in the parentheses. And then we have our D, because we don't know what the D is, because we don't have all the numbers. So now we got a to the 9th equals a to the 3rd plus 9 minus 3 is 6. And so we have 6D. And then we said A to the third equals 33. So let's go ahead and substitute that in. So we sub that in. So now we have A9 equals 33 plus 6D. So, and we said A9 equals to, 117. 117 equals 3 plus 6D. So if we're looking for the solve for D, we're going to subtract 33 and then subtract 33. 34 equal to 6D. Oh, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 11 minus 3 is 84. All right. So from here, we have 60 equals 84. 6D is equivalent to 6 divided by D. So I'm going to divide by 6. 6 goes into 1. D times 84 divided by 6 is 14. So now we have our D. So we use the D to find A1. So AN equals A1 plus N minus 1D. So we said add 3 because A3 takes the place of AN equals A1 plus 3 minus 1, which gives me 2. And then with the D gives you 2D. And then we said that A1 equal to, oh wait, we're trying to solve for A1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So, and we said, D was 14, so we can plug that in, plus A1 equals 33. So 14 times 2 28 plus a to the first and 33 minus 28 All right, so we solved for our D, we solved for our A1. So, like the other examples, now we can use the formula to do the rest. So, AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 equals D. So, we know N, we're looking for to the 12th power. So we know AN equals A to the 12th equals A1. And we said A1 equals 5. And then we talked about N, which is the same thing as A1. So 12 minus 1. Okay, so now we have 12 minus 1 is 11 plus 5D equals A12. Oh, because the distance is 14. Alright, so this equals 154 plus 5 will equal to A to the 12th equals 159. And this is our final solution. So we got step 1, step 2, and step 3. All right, so that concludes our session from filling in the terms with the information that we have. You have any questions, please give me a call. You may also do a Zoom invite, or I can send you an invite. Just let me know what it is that you need, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful afternoon.